Microsoft Viva Glint Survey Design Principles, giving you the tools necessary to design a strong feedback strategy. How do you create an effective survey that is aligned to your organization's strategic priorities? When thinking about your survey program, it is important to consider design principles. A well-designed survey asks questions that are relevant to the employee experience and business context that will elicit direct and actionable feedback. Viva Glint's survey design process ensures an enjoyable experience for employees and provides a wealth of data for leaders. We encourage you to think about these areas when designing a survey. These areas include survey length, engagement index, survey items, survey item order, open-ended items, and item rotation. Surveys should be kept short in order to encourage full participation. Viva Glint has found that well-constructed single-item measures are equally as reliable as multiple items on one topic, and fewer items produce shorter surveys, which will significantly improve a participant's experience and completion rates. Respondents can comment on all items, and with natural language processing built into Viva Glint, you'll capture every nuance of qualitative feedback. Studies have shown that longer surveys typically result in data quality issues. Respondents have trouble focusing their attention on long surveys. Shorter surveys provide more succinct reports, making it more likely that leaders and managers will take action. It is recommended to have a specific number of items based on the type of survey to keep it short. For instance, a monthly survey should have 8 or fewer items. A quarterly survey should have 25 or fewer items, and an annual survey should have 30 or fewer items. Surveying at regular intervals with fewer items in each survey will yield the best results. We see sustained response rates at about 80% for customers that are surveying using these recommended guidelines. How do you trim survey length? Focus on items that align with your organization's top strategic priorities. Think about what your CEO cares about most and what you need to know versus what is nice to know. Another tip, limit the number of internal stakeholders involved in the survey design process. This will help limit the number of items on each survey. Analyze items for redundancy and use a single item measure approach to further improve the quality of your survey. Another important area to consider is how to measure engagement. Viva Glint recommends using an index of 2 items. Viva Glint's ESAT question continues to be the single best measure of employee engagement. Recommend measures their willingness to endorse the organization. This 2-item index measures intangibles like discretionary effort, commitment, and brand loyalty, and is a strong predictor of business outcomes. Now think about the types of items that will most accurately measure the experiences and attitudes of your organization, keeping business priorities and talent goals in mind. Start with the core Viva Glint items, which are aligned to our People Success Elements framework. These items have been developed to measure themes relevant to employees across industries and geographies. These items are highly predictive of engagement in today's organizations. A best practice is not to deviate from the Viva Glint wording of the questions, as the items have been designed so you can use Viva Glint's benchmarks and recommended actions. Next, think about open-ended items. They offer an opportunity to capture additional employee feedback on topics that may not have been covered in rating questions. Consider asking, what should we start doing or do more of? What should we stop doing or do less of? What else is on your mind? Survey item order is also important. Item order facilitates quick and smooth completion of the survey. Start with high-level general items, overall business and company leadership, then progress to items about local management, direct supervisor, and team. End with items that focus on the individual's job experience. Lastly, it's important to consider rotating your survey items so you can ask more questions throughout the year. Rotating items keep surveys shorter, allows you to ask questions at the right time to inform business decisions, and keeps the content fresh. A quick tip, do not rotate your outcome items, which would be ESAT and recommend. This is so you'll have a consistent measure across all surveys to compare to over time. Item rotation should be driven by behaviors your organization is trying to reinforce. Educate your stakeholders on the rationale behind the cadence of item rotation. Viva Glint automatically shows trends between surveys, so even if a question did not appear on the most recent survey, you'll still be able to see trending data. Now you have all the tools you need to design your engagement program.